Hello everyone, in this video we'll show how to define the load case. So first let's turn off this one, so this one, and we don't want to see this one also, so this one also the error mark, so choose this one. Okay, so let's go to the load case, then new static, because we are going to enhance the model in static mode. So first let's define the contact table 1, and click OK. Then we don't have to change this one, solution control. Okay, this one remains same. And convergence settings testing, we should choose the method residues and displacements, and the mode is relative or absolute. This one works well in convergence. I will discuss this in another video why we chose this one. Okay, so the numerical preference, we don't have to change this one remains same. So the total load case time, if we remember, we have defined our axial and lateral. The total load case time was around 6 seconds, or we can see the lateral load also, we have choose 6 seconds. So the overall total load case time is around 6 seconds. Okay, in the next one, this is the steps. This is the most important part. So what is the step? Let's go here. Okay, so this is our time, and this is our, suppose our total load case time. So if we choose step equals to 50, it means the software will divide our total load case time into 50 segments. So if we plot a graph like we will see in the next video, in the coming video, if we plot a load versus displacement curve, I will get around 50 points like this. I will get 50 points. If we decrease the step number like 3, that means we are dividing the whole total load case time into 3 segments, only 3 segments. That means I am going to get only 3 points like this, 1 point like this, 2 points or 3 points. So the graph would not be smooth. The graph looks like this, 1, 2. But if we increase the step number, then the graph will look smooth. Okay, this one is for step equals to 50. This one is step equals to 3. So that means if you increase step number, the graph will be smoother. Okay, but there is a problem. If you increase step number too much, then the software need more time to solve the model. So choose the step number accurately, wisely, so that you don't need to stay whole day to solve this model. Okay, so there is a technique I will teach you. So if you try to keep the constant time step equals to 0.02, then you will see that your graph will be smoother and also your time will be lesser. So try to follow these tricks, it works all the time. So if you try to keep the constant time step, it means the one division, the one division's step size would be 0.02. So let's here in the model Marc Mentat software, if we want to constant time step 0.02, so we have to divide 6 over 0.02, then you will get around 300. So if I write 300 here and enter, you will get constant time step equals to 0.02. Then you will get the graph smoother, and also your time will be saved. So you're getting both benefits. Okay, so you don't have to change this one and this. Okay, so we have defined the load cases, and then in the next video we'll show how to create jobs in the next video. Till now, see you in the next video.